Hi students, O-Levels Online presents the video lecture series for Other Adjustments of Financial Statements. In this video, we will discuss the accrued income, definition and explanation. This video series is helpful for those students who are appearing in Cambridge O-Level upcoming exams, either in June or November, through CAIE or IGCSE or IGCSE, 9-1, for accounting 7707, or 0452 or 0985. Let's begin the lesson material. In this slide, we will examine what accrued income is. Accrued income is revenue that has been earned but not yet received by the end of an accounting period. This income represents services rendered or goods delivered for which payment is expected to be received in the future. What is the nature of it? Let's move to the next slide. The nature of accrued income is an asset, because it is classified as a current asset on the balance sheet. This classification indicates that the income is expected to be received in the near future, typically within 1 year. Let's check on what accounting principles it would depend on. It is based on accrual basis of accounting principle. It requires incomes to be recorded in the period they are incurred, rather than where they are received. Let's move to check another accounting principle, on which this concept is dependent. It is also dependent on the matching principle of accounting. It is ensured that income is matched with the period in which it is earned. This adherence to the matching principle provides the more accurate financial information. Let's move to check its accounting treatment. There are 2 stages involved in its accounting treatment. First one is, at the time of accrual, the recording entry would be accrued income debit and income account credit. Secondly, at the time of payment, cash or bank account debit and accrued income credit. Let's move to check its impact on financial statements. On the balance sheet, it records as current asset as receivables. In this way, total current assets are increased. Further, in profit and loss account, it recorded as revenue. This will increase the net profit figure in it. Let's move to check some common examples of it. Some common examples are salaries and wages, utility bills, rental income, interest on loan, service fees, etc. Positively, you got the clear understanding of the topic according to examination point of view. If you have any questions, kindly ask in the comment section of this video. You can download the related formats and lesson material through the link provided below. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, like and share video with other people to learn from it. And please subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.